Understanding German Regular Verbs. Welcome to our Learn German for Beginners video series. In our previous lesson, we delved into the basics of verbs, what they are, their function, and their structure. Now, let's focus on regular verbs and unravel the art of conjugating them. Regular verbs, the basics. Regular verbs, also known as Schwarzerben, follow specific conjugation rules. Let's start by understanding the basic rules for conjugating verbs in the present tense. Verb structure. A verb has a stem, known as verb stem, and an ending. While conjugating in the present tense, the verb stem remains constant, and the ending varies based on the person or thing being singular or plural. Conjugation with pronouns. Pronouns play a crucial role in verb conjugation. Whether in singular or plural, the endings follow a pattern. For regular verbs, the ending is always e with do, street with ear, t with ces, and n with were and c. Conjugating regular verbs. Let's put theory into practice. Here are some common regular verbs with their conjugations. 1. Wohnen, to live. Ich wohn. Du wohnst. Or sie or es won't. Were wohnen. Ihr wohnt. Sie wohnen. 2. Spielen, to play. Ich spiel. Du spielst. Or sie or es spielt. Were spielen. Ihr spielt. Sie spielen. 3. Studieren, to study. Ich studiere. Du studierst. Or sie or es studiert. Were studieren. Ihr studiert. Sie studieren. Special cases. Watch out for verbs with stems ending in s, s's, or. Examples include reisen and tanzen. When conjugating with do, the ending changes to t instead of st. Reisen, to travel. Ich reise. Du reist. Or sie or es reist. Were reisen. Ihr reist. Sie reisen. Exercises. Let's test your skills. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjugated verb. 1. Veronica, by Siemens. Answer: won't. 2. Mathematic. Answer: studiert. 3. Wohnten, claim. Answer: 4. Ich mathematic. Answer: studiere. Great job. Practice makes perfect. Congratulations on completing today's lesson on regular verbs in German. In our next lesson, we'll dive into the fascinating world of irregular verbs. Thanks for joining us on this language learning journey. Auf Wiedersehen.